Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In this video we are going to show you how to do an oil change on a Dodge Caliber. It is a 2.0 engine, but it will be the same for all 2.0 from 2006 all the way until 2012. The oil capacity is 4.5 quarts or 4.3 liters, and Dodge recommends 5W20, but since we live in a very hot part of the world right here in Oklahoma, we are going to use 5W30 for summertime and 5W20 for winter time. In order to do the oil change, you will need to jack the front end of the vehicle up and always put the jack stand just for safety. And right here on the back of the oil pan, right there, that's where the oil plug is located. By jacking the front end of the car up, you'll be able to drain all the oil like that, because the oil will be on the side of the oil plug. And with a 17mm wrench, just take the oil plug off all the way and drain the oil until it's empty. Okay, we drained the oil and now you need to install the plug. Do not forget to tighten it now, do not leave it for later, because if it's loose you will be eventually losing it and you'll run out of oil and pretty much need a new engine. So get it tight, don't leave it for later. Now the oil filter is located right here on the front side of the vehicle, right there, so you can use oil filter pliers to get it loose. Most of the times it will work by hand if it was installed properly, and we'll show you how to install it properly, so next time it will be easy to take it off. And just be prepared to make a mess, get a bucket or something, because it's going to leak some out of it. Okay, it's about to come out, and this one didn't make too much of a mess, but usually they do. Okay, this is the oil filter right here. If it's Purilator, this is the number if you need. And now get some of the clean oil and apply on the rubber seal right there. That way it will not be stuck on when you're ready to do the next oil change. It will come off easy. If you do not apply oil, it's going to be stuck there pretty good and you have a hard time taking it off. And now get it tight. Do not use any tools, just grab a clean towel or a rag or something and just get it tight with your hands. Again, do not leave it for later, so we can avoid some damages. Now we are ready to add oil. Just remove the oil cap right there. Use a funnel so you don't make a mess, because if you leak some oil out and it gets on the exhaust manifold, it's going to be smoky and it'll smell bad. So you need to add 4.5 quarts or almost 4.3 liters. Okay, make sure you do not add too much, because if you add too much you're going to damage the catalytic converter. Okay guys, next thing that you need to do, you need to make sure that the car is level. Take it off the jack stands, remove the jack, make sure it's leveled, and now we need to start the vehicle for a minute or two. Let it run. Okay, we let it run for a while. Now you need to wait about a minute or two, and in the meantime you need to pull the dipstick out like that, wipe it and put it back in. Okay, now pull it out and make sure that it's good. Okay, it's safe right here. It says it's in the middle with 4.5 hour case. Some manuals say 5 quarts, so just make sure it's up to the full mark, but not too much. Do not overfill it. As I said, you might cause damage to the catalytic converter. So some people put 4.5, some people 5. Just make sure it's between at least the middle and the top of the safe mark. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.